Visiting and traveling to new places during the holidays is such an extra special adventure, not only because of the decorations, but also because of all the seasonal foods and varieties during this time. And Disneyland is no different. So I'm going to highlight all their special seasonal food and snacks on this video. And I have one right here. This is the tiramisu yulog cocktail. That's right. It's only 12 o'clock and I'm already having cocktails. Oh my gosh, that's really good. I love it. Cheers. So now on to dessert. We are having the maple bacon beignet. One of my goals on this trip is to try the seasonal food creations and snacks offered around here in different restaurants or cafes. So the first seasonal snack we're going to try is this maple bacon beignet here at Ralph Brennan's Jazz Kitchen. All right. Okay. Quite heavy, hefty. And there's ice cream included and sauce on the side. And I believe the ice cream is vanilla. Yeah, vanilla. All right. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce. For me, I like it that it's not sickly sweet. Although it's not as fluffy as I would like it to be. It's a bit crunchy on the outside, but it's not pillowy. The texture is not pillowy. It's more like a donut, you know? Well, when you're here, try it for yourself and let me know what you think of it. And two more additional observations about the beignet. I didn't really taste any bacon. I really wish that it was baked in there, or a lot more of it on top, because it's a combination of, I think, bacon and like a crumble of like pecan or some kind of nut. And as far as the side sauce is concerned, I think it's almost like a marshmallow fluff, which if you pair it with the beignet makes it a lot sweeter. But with the ice cream, it's actually pretty well. I'm actually on my last bite. So we're now having breakfast, and I've ordered the holiday or seasonal snacks or breakfast that they have, which is the apple pecan donut and a chimney sweet cold brew, which is supposed to be cold brew coffee with hickory, chocolate, and caramel sauces, cream, and smoked sea salt sprinkle. All right, I'm excited to dive in. All right, so now I'm going to try the apple pecan donut. There's actually applesauce, whoops, which just fell, like in the middle of the donut, and then the rest is just a plain donut. That applesauce makes it. It makes the donut. I wish there was more of it. Yeah. And then now, let me try the cold brew. This foam, yummo. It's what makes the drink. Wow. I don't know how to describe it, but it is definitely, it's like chocolate, coffee, then it's like a thick, it's cream, it's not even foam. And they put a really good amount of sea salt in this, so wow, I like this one. I approve. All right, so it's time for another holiday snack. This time it's the caramel pecan cream cheese pretzel. It's a little cold because I bought it right before the parade and I didn't eat it because I was paying too much attention at the parade and taking too much videos. So here we go. So hopefully it's still soft enough.
I don't think they care anymore.
Okay.
Hello.
There is cream cheese or stuffed cream cheese in there. And it's still pretty soft. It's been about 30 minutes. Yeah. It's a Bretzel. This is a Bretzel. The consistency. I like this one. I approve. My thought was I was going to eat it while the parade was happening. Didn't.
The castle's looking beautiful, and I am gonna.
So good. Fireworks instead of tomorrow. All right. So now having dinner here at Alien Pizza Planet. My goal on this restaurant was to get and taste the charcuterie pizza slice. Now for that pizza, according to the Disney blog, it's supposed to have pesto cream sauce, fig marmalade, prosciutto, Spanish chorizo, onions, cornichons, and arugula. And this is what I got. Does that look like a charcuterie board to you guys? It's basically a prosciutto pizza. And they tried to pass it off as the charcuterie pizza slice. No bueno, Disneyland, no bueno. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this dinner. There definitely is a creamy sauce. I mean, the pizza's all right. Disappointed. I didn't get that. The real charcuterie pizza. So now I am going to have dessert, which is the Pim Kitchen Atomic Pretzel, which is what is on that one? Apple bacon soft pretzel with cinnamon sugar, salted pretzel with apple bacon compote, cranberries, caramel sauce, cream cheese, and candied pepper bacon.
Not like that.
So let us try it. So this is one of their holiday snacks here at Disneyland. So this is how it looks like inside. It's actually, it's as big as my face as a whole. So let's try it. Right. It definitely tastes the cinnamon. The applesauce makes it for real. Yeah. Although the applesauce has crushed cranberries in it.
Oh yeah.
Or sauteed cranberries in it. Very cinnamony. The pretzel itself is really soft. I love the pretzels here in Disneyland. You don't hurt your teeth. I love them.
The Ferris wheel. Also on the
I really like it.
Yeah, the front
Although
side looks good.
I really don't see the cream cheese or taste the cream cheese at all. It's being covered by all the other flavors. But otherwise, overall, this is really good.